Today is market day. Today is market day. I love market day. I love market day. Do not forget the shopping list, Leo. Do not forget the shopping list, Leo.
I am writing the list now. I am writing the list now.
I am looking for my keys. I am looking for my keys.
They are on the table, Leo. They are on the table, Leo.
You always know everything, Hailey. You always know everything, Hailey. I have the keys. Let us go. I have the keys. Let us go.
Put on your seatbelt, Leo. Put on your seatbelt, Leo.
I already put it on.
Put on your seatbelt, Leo.
I already put it on.
The sky looks so clear today. The sky looks so clear today.
It is a beautiful morning. It is a beautiful morning.
We need carrots and onions. We need carrots and onions.
I will remember the carrots. I will remember the carrots. There are so many people here. There are so many people here.
Look at these fresh tomatoes. Look at these fresh tomatoes.
How much are the tomatoes? How much are the tomatoes?
The tomatoes are $1. The tomatoes are $1. They are very cheap today. They are very cheap today.
Please pack them. Please pack them.
How much do you want? How much do you want?
I would like 1 kilogram. I would like 1 kilogram. We should get the big onions. We should get the big onions.
Good idea. Put them in the basket. Good idea. Put them in the basket.
This basket is getting full. This basket is getting full.
We are not finished yet. We are not finished yet.
What is that stall over there? What is that stall over there? I have never seen those fruits before. I have never seen those fruits before.
These are rare American fruits. These are rare American fruits.
You know these fruits? You know these fruits?
I tried them when I traveled. I tried them when I traveled.
Good morning. These are the rarest fruits in America. These are the rarest fruits in America.
What is this yellow one called? What is this yellow one called?
That is a pawpaw. It tastes like banana and custard. That is a pawpaw.
Banana and custard? At the same time? Banana and custard? At the same time?
It is amazing. Trust me. It is amazing. Trust me.
What are these tiny red ones? What are these tiny red ones?
Those are mayhaws. Would you like to try one? Those are mayhaws.
Yes, please. Just one. Yes, please. Just one. That is very sour. That is very sour.
I should have warned you about that one. I should have warned you about that one.
Mayhaws are sour. People use them to make jam. Mayhaws are sour. People use them to make jam.
Now I understand. Not for eating alone. Now I understand. Now I understand.
What about this orange one? What about this orange one?
That is a persimmon. Only eat it when it is very soft. Only eat it when it is very soft.
What happens if it is not soft? What happens if it is not soft?
Your mouth will feel very dry, very unpleasant. Your mouth will feel very dry.
I will wait until it is ready. I will wait until it is ready.
These are muscadines. They are a wild American grape.
They look like grapes, but much bigger. They look like grapes, but much bigger.
Let us buy the pawpaw and the muscadines. Let us buy the pawpaw and the muscadines.
I learned something new today. I learned something new today.
That is why I love this market. That is why I love this market.
We will come back for the pawpaw next week. We will come back for the pawpaw next week.
We still need eggs. We still need eggs.
I can see the egg stall. I can see the egg stall.
Good morning. How many eggs do you need?
Good morning.
How many eggs do you need?
1 carton, please. 1 carton, please.
Are these eggs from today? Are these eggs from today?
Yes, very fresh. From my farm. Yes, very fresh. From my farm.
That is wonderful. That is wonderful.
$4, please. $4, please.
Here you are. Thank you so much. Here you are. Thank you so much. I think we have everything. I think we have everything.
My arms are very tired. My arms are very tired.
The car is not far. The car is not far. The car is not far. We got so many good things. We got so many good things. Today was a wonderful morning. Today was a wonderful morning.
I am putting the bags in the car. I am putting the bags in the car.
We will come back next week. We will come back next week. If you enjoyed today, please subscribe. We will see you next time.
I am already hungry. I am already hungry.
Let us go home and cook. Let us go home and cook. If you enjoyed today, please subscribe. We will see you next time.